G400 CNC6 Customized Gear Hobbing Machine. The machine features 6-axis, 4-linkage control, and high-speed and efficient gear machining. Designed by engineers considering the impact of workpiece weight and size, the tailstock is equipped with a rotating function, making it easier to mount heavy workpieces. The intuitive user interface ensures simple operation and supports both dry and wet cutting. It can machine gears with a maximum module of 10 and a maximum workpiece diameter of 400 millimeters, including spur gears, helical gears, shaft gears and disc gears, worm wheels, small taper gears, ground gears, splines, sprockets, and synchronous pulleys.